What it do? It's your boy Manny Fresh coming in with another video. We got another one, another banger, another unboxing. And you know, y'all won't. I bet y'all $10 y'all can't guess the shoe right now. Guess right now. It's from a brand. I just popped my third pair from their brand. Shout out to the homeboy. I'll let you know who it is once I open it. It's good. It's good to know people, bros. They got your back. But my brother from No Miller, one of the broskies, works for Under Armour. He got blessed with that friends and family code to ship out to their bros. And the moment he sent it, I let him know I was gonna cop. I had just gotten Curry's, so I didn't cop Curry's. And you know, I have a pair of Hovers that says they're probably one of the most comfortable shoes in the history of shoes. So I had to cop myself another banger of Hovers. But not any Hover, the Hover Phantom, because they are the most comfortable shoes on the planet right now. Don't at me, they're more comfortable than the Ultra Boost, any other comfort first shoe. This shoe is unbelievable. So if you guys haven't tried a pair, I suggest you get a pair. But it was 40% off. So I paid, they retail at $140. I think I paid like $80 or $90. And just look at them. Black on black on black. And you know, cause I'm the champ, we put in some gold on it, boy. Beautiful motherfucking. I will most definitely do a review on these because I'm gonna, it's gonna be a review, but I'm gonna wear them before I do a review so I can see how comfortable they are and everything. But other than that, hit that like button, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. You already know, Manny Fresh. Out.